What's up, YouTube? Back on the NSX today. I figured I'd chase down speaker wires. There's just like a little wire just totally cut up underneath the front floorboard. I don't know where it goes, so let's see if we can figure it out. I'm in here trying to get the rest of the speakers to work and the doors. And I found out there's actually some aftermarket speakers that were put in. I was given the originals and I thought I had to reinstall those, but I don't. What I need to find out is where the other end of this doodad goes, because this was just cut and left hanging here. And I know it goes back to the amp, so I got to start tracing it, but look at this. Absolutely just filthy, disgusting. These seats were replaced at one time. If you're going to take the time to get in here and do something like that, I mean, who knows? Maybe this happened after the seats were installed, but if this was dirty before you put the seats back in, you got to take the time to clean that up. And don't cut wires. If you don't want something hooked up, follow it to the end, unhook it at the source. The worst thing you can do in a car is just start clipping wires. Granted, it's only a speaker wire, but it's frustrating as all get up. Don't cut wires. All I wanted to do was see if I could track down one little speaker wire, and then one thing led to another. And this is where I'm at. Look how filthy this thing is. Oh, this is gonna be fun cleaning this up. So with any project, what you think is gonna be a simple, 10, 15 minute job turns into, I don't know, a couple hours. And in the heat, man, it really takes it out of you. So if you got a shop, I'm definitely envious. Come on, YouTube. Subscribe to these videos. Let me get that viewer count up, start bringing in some revenue so I can get a shop. And then I can start doing some other projects, maybe for you guys. And you guys can join me in the shop and do your builds. How cool would that be? Because it's not just about me. It'd be awesome to have a giant shop funded by YouTube that, tons of people could come and use and do their projects. That's what it should be about. None of this, oh, I got a big 3,000, 5,000 square foot shop for myself and you guys watch my videos and paid for it. That's selfish. Till then, I'm gonna keep looking around, see if there's something I can just afford to pay monthly on for a little bit, and then maybe I can invite some people over and we can all create content together, because everybody's working on something different, so how cool would that be? Well, the seat's back in. The carpet is much cleaner, thank goodness. The wires have been tucked up nice and neat. Now I gotta clean the floor mat real quick. All right, that just whooped my butt. I mean, it's not so much that the job was difficult and pulling all that stuff out was difficult, but God, it's hot. So here's my plea to all the other YouTube people out there. If you're in the DFW area and you're just a smaller channel, you don't have a shop or something like that, you're working out of your garage like me, we need to team up with other YouTubers and get one giant shop, and then we can all collaborate on content, I'm sure we all have different content that we can put together. There's no point in us all just kind of struggling on our own when we can work together and probably make something badass happen. So reach out to me if you're interested. You know, maybe we can make it happen. Maybe we can't. I don't know. Anyway, let's just say today was not a failure with the stereo, but I did not get it figured out. So I don't want to go messing with the wiring in this car. I don't have a wiring diagram. I don't know the wiring in this car. I don't want to damage something or make it worse. So I'm going to do my research and ask some questions on some forums and see if there's anybody out there that can help me out. But tomorrow morning, I will get up when it's early and it is not so darn hot. And I'm going to put this exhaust on here. Let me show you what I got. This is the exhaust that I brought home that was given to me with the car. It's upside down, but it says ARC. It's supposed to be a pretty high dollar system or something, and it's supposed to sound really good. We shall see. That is it for today. It's too darn hot. I'm going inside. Thank you guys for watching. Stay hungry, stay foolish.